What's up, y'all? Welcome back to yet another edition of As Told by Bree. Okay, y'all. So today we are getting into all things home decor and Amazon. If you know me, you know that I pretty much eat, breathe, and sleep Amazon Prime, especially when it comes to everything for the home. So I'm super excited to take you guys around my house and show you guys some of my favorite pickups from Amazon. So I hope you enjoy. And if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get to the video. We're starting on the balcony. Okay, if you've seen my balcony tour, I'll link it down below. Then you know that most of my balcony is from, well, not most of my balcony, but most of the things on my balcony are from Amazon. So for example, these chairs are from Amazon. I absolutely love these chairs. They are so comfy and they are so cute and modern. This blanket is from Amazon. I have two. I have this brown one, and then I also have a gray one. This table is also from Amazon. It came in a different color and I spray painted it. These wine glasses and this wine bottle are just for decor. And isn't this just the cutest thing? Come on, focus. I love that. Not from Amazon, but still cute. Pillows, Amazon. And the actual love seat itself is from Amazon. So, Amazon really is the plug. Also, my bar is from Amazon. I'll link everything below though. And this is one of my favorite pieces. Oh gosh, don't mind the pollen. But yes. This is also from Amazon. I'll tag everything, link everything below. Okay, so let's start in the kitchen. So first things first, I just love my cookbook setup. And this cookbook stand came from Amazon. The cookbook's not from Amazon. I actually got that from Barnes & Noble. But the stand is from Amazon. You can really get cookbooks from pretty much anywhere. This is a black cookbook. Well, a black author. Okay, I had to pause it real quick. I just want to say that I commend y'all who have collections of cookbooks because, baby, I learned that cookbooks are not cheap. So for those of y'all who collect cookbooks or collect books in general, I commend y'all. Coffee table books, anything decorative, anything having to do with the home, it's going to cost you a cute little coin. So yeah, anywho, moving on. Okay, moving along. So these soap dispensers are from Amazon. And I would like to get some labels, like some decals for them that say like hand soap, dish soap. That way people can decipher. And then I also have my paper towel stand that came from Amazon. My diffuser is also from Amazon. Typically, my diffuser usually comes up a little higher than this. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but yes. And the scent that I have in there is lemongrass. Love it. It's not from Amazon. It is actually from Walmart. And then I just have my utensils over here. So I also have this ice tray that creates these really large ice cubes, and I love it. It's such a nice touch, especially when you have guests. It just looks like you put a little bit extra effort in. So definitely recommend. Okay, so my apartment didn't come with an island, so I got my own. And this is from Amazon. I painted this. It came in like a black base and a wooden top, and y'all know I get down with the spray paint every time. So it has these drawers. So you have two drawers up top. I just keep like chargers and stuff in there. And it has these things on the bottom, so they open up like so. But yeah, I pretty much created my own little island there. And it actually looks pretty natural, to be honest. Like, kind of looks like it came with the place. I love my kitchen. It's so clean and minimal. I love it. A super cute, minimal setup. Alrighty, so now moving into my living room, we have my couch, and y'all, believe it or not, this couch is from Amazon. I absolutely love it though. It's so comfy. It's so much better than the last one I had. If you know, you know. And I also have this throw blanket on here that I absolutely love. also from Amazon. This is the same one that is out on my balcony. They're just two different colors. This one is more of a gray, whereas the other is closer to brown. So yes, absolutely love this. So my apartment is closer to like a studio, but it's not a studio because it has a bedroom. It's weird. But my kitchen and my living room are like in the same room, as you can see, if that makes sense. Anywho, so yes, I love this couch. It's just like kind of modern and just nice. The legs are gold. You can't really see very well because of the lighting, but the legs are gold. And like I said, this is from Amazon. And for it to be from Amazon, it's really nice. It's like, I don't know what you would call it. It's like a suede material. But yeah, it's very comfy. It's really nice. Just a black couch. And then also we have this beautiful rug, which is also from Amazon. I will link that down below for you. I'm gonna stop saying that everything is from Amazon because, I mean, this is an Amazon home tour. So everything that I'm talking about is from Amazon. And this is like one of my favorites. This is my chair. Absolutely love it. I saw Scandalex with it, and I was like, oh my gosh, gotta have it. But yes, absolutely love this chair and these pictures as well. Alrighty, so as we swing this way, we have my gallery wall. I know everything is not straight, guys, okay? I do most of this stuff myself, and most of the time I just want to do it once, and if it's a little bit off, I'm okay with that. I'm in my PJs because today was a work from home day, and I'm in my PJs. So, I got these picture lights from Amazon. I guess I should turn them on for you, huh? That way you can kind of see, get a feel for what they actually look like. But yes, picture lights are from Amazon. Picture frames you can also find on Amazon. Pictures are from Etsy, but if you want those, I can link them down below too. One thing about me, everything in my home, all of my artwork in my home is going to be abstract. Nothing is defined. Everything is abstract. But yeah, picture lights, I just feel like they give it an instant facelift. I just think it makes it look way more luxe, makes it look very well put together and curated. So one thing about it, two things for show, I'm gonna always have picture lights. But yep, love it. Alrighty, so let me show you guys how it works. Literally just click. And it has different settings. So you can operate at 50%, you can operate at 100%. Come on now, there you go. And then we can do like the white light that you see here, we can go more of like a yellow light. So white light, yellow light. But yeah, both sides. Oh, let's make this on back white. But yeah, that's how it comes out. And I love it. I think it looks really nice. DIY with KB, how did I do, girl? Because you inspired me. How did I do? How did I do? All right, now this is the star of the show. Everybody always loves this when they walk in. People always comment on this. My fireplace. I love it. Mounted it. I need to hide my cords. I keep saying I'm going to hide my cords, and I still haven't done that. But yes, I love my fireplace. I get lots and lots and lots of compliments on this. And the fireplace has some pretty cool settings. So with this remote, you can like change the background color to whatever color you so choose. So I have lights behind my TV too. So I am going to make them both the same color. And it's usually like really a vibe. Like, baby, it's a vibe. But yeah, everybody loves this. Lights are from Amazon too. More than happy to link those below. Everything is going to be on my Amazon store. Everything, top to bottom.